closer look here. This big wheel turning, pistons in and out. Health and safety would have a field day today. A lot of places to catch your finger, wouldn't it? Even up here we see the cogs turning. And I think what people don't understand, I'm standing beside these here and I can feel the heat of the boilers steaming up the water. Now, I'm up inside here watching this big steam engine turning. As you can see, there's crankshafts and there's pistons back and forth. Not a very healthy, safe place, but obviously the way they were made. There's the lights, so they run their own. And here's the fuel tank. And this here is the fuel pump. You lift with this and shovel it all in here. As you can see, the coal around there. So the boiler's in there somewhere. Steering wheel off to the side. Oh, a mighty bit of machinery back in this time. So there you go. That's a little look at the steam engines. Okay.